Bienvenue dans le défi ICA Challenge, jour 70. Tu veux moins de stress? Commence par choisir une stratégie adaptée à ta personnalité. Le stress ne vient pas du marché, mais d'un mauvais alignement entre tes choix d'investissement et ton tempérament. Aujourd'hui, découvre comment t'investir avec sérénité en adaptant ta méthode à qui tu es vraiment. Prends une grande inspiration, on t'aide à trouver ton équilibre pour investir sans stress. Imaginez un investisseur, un individu stoïque et serein, qui traverse les tempêtes financières sans broncher, imperturbable face à la volatilité. Les cracks boursiers, de simples ondulations à la surface de son lac intérieur. Les baisses soudaines, des opportunités déguisées. C'est le HODL de Conviction, l'incarnation de la patience et de la foi inébranlable dans ses investissements. Un maître zen de la finance. Il investit dans des actifs solides, des fondations robustes pour son avenir financier. Il bâtit sa richesse avec soin et prévoyance. Comme Bitcoin et Ethereum, les piliers du monde des crypto-monnaies, des technologies disruptives avec un potentiel immense. Il comprend leur valeur intrinsèque et leur potentiel de croissance à long terme. Il garde un peu de cash, une réserve de liquidité pour saisir les opportunités qui se présentent et faire face aux imprévus. Une gestion financière avisée est essentielle et laisse le temps faire son œuvre. Il comprend que la patience est une vertu, surtout en matière d'investissement. Il sait que les rendements les plus importants se récoltent sur le long terme. Pas de panique à chaque mouvement du marché. Il ne se laisse pas emporter par les émotions et le bruit ambiant. Il reste concentré sur ses objectifs à long terme. Il regarde son portefeuille grandir sur le long terme, avec la satisfaction de voir ses efforts porter leurs fruits. Il suit sa progression avec attention, mais sans obsession. Sa patience est sa force, son atout le plus précieux. Elle lui permet de prendre des décisions éclairées et de ne pas céder à la panique. Et chaque correction du marché est une opportunité, pas une menace. Il voit les baisses comme des soldes, des occasions d'acheter à prix réduit. Il ne vérifie pas son portefeuille toutes les heures. Il n'est pas esclave des fluctuations du marché. Il se détache de l'obsession de la performance à court terme. Il préfère profiter de la vie, se consacrer à ses passions et à ses proches. Il sait que l'investissement n'est qu'un aspect de son existence. Son horizon? 10 ans, parfois plus. Il pense en décennies, pas en trimestres. Il investit pour l'avenir, pour sa retraite, pour ses enfants. Inspiré par Warren Buffett, le maître de l'investissement à long terme, il adopte une approche value investing, en recherchant des entreprises sous-évaluées avec un fort potentiel de croissance. Il construit sa richesse brique par brique, sans précipitation, avec méthode et discipline. Il sait que la patience est la clé du succès. Son portefeuille est une forteresse, imprenable et résistante aux aléas du marché. Une base solide pour affronter l'avenir avec sérénité. Actifs robustes, gestion prudente du cash, diversification intelligente. Il équilibre son portefeuille pour minimiser les risques et maximiser les rendements. Il ne cherche pas le frisson, les gains rapides et faciles. Il préfère la sécurité et la stabilité, mais la croissance durable, une progression constante et régulière. Il privilégie les investissements responsables et éthiques. Sa tranquillité vient de la discipline, de la rigueur et de la constance dans son approche. Il suit un plan précis et s'y tient, et de la confiance en sa stratégie, en ses choix d'investissement. Il a fait ses recherches et il est convaincu du potentiel de son portefeuille. Même quand le marché s'emballe, quand la folie spéculative s'empare des investisseurs, il garde la tête froide. Il reste zen, fidèle à son plan, imperturbable face aux sirènes de la cupidité. Il sait que la patience est toujours récompensée. Le HODL de Conviction incarne la stabilité et la vision à long terme, une approche sage et réfléchie de l'investissement. Investissant sans stress année après année, construisant patiemment son avenir financier un jour à la fois. Il est le HODL de Conviction, l'investisseur zen. Let's delve into the profile of the opportunistic swing trader. This particular type of investor is always on the lookout for the best possible opportunities in the market. They are strategic, patient, and calculated in their approach, always ready to capitalize on the right moment. He surfs on the waves of the market, skillfully navigating the ups and downs with precision and foresight. Like a surfer expertly riding a wave, the opportunistic swing trader knows when to paddle hard, when to stand tall, and when to adjust their course. Investing over periods of a few months, typically holding positions for weeks or even months at a time. This allows them to capture significant price movements while avoiding the constant monitoring required by day trading, They understand that patience is a virtue in the world of investing. To seize the best opportunities, they are constantly scanning the market for potential entry points, carefully evaluating risk and reward before committing capital. This proactive approach is key to their success. He analyzes trends, meticulously studying charts and indicators to identify potential patterns and predict future price movements. They are well versed in technical analysis, using tools like trend lines, moving averages, and Fibonacci retracements to inform their decisions. Uses price alerts, setting up notifications to be informed when key levels are reached, ensuring they never miss a crucial moment to enter or exit a trade. These alerts act as a virtual assistant, constantly monitoring the market on their behalf, and diversifies between major cryptos, spreading their investments across established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to mitigate risk and capture the overall growth of the crypto market. They understand the importance of not putting all their eggs in one basket and promising altcoins. They also explore the potential of smaller, more innovative cryptocurrencies, carefully researching their fundamentals and potential for growth. This allows them to potentially achieve higher returns, but also comes with increased risk. Each position is taken methodically, with a clear and well-defined strategy in place. They don't rely on gut feelings or hunches, but rather on a systematic approach that has been tested and proven over time. Entry signal, a precise trigger that indicates the optimal time to enter a trade based on their predefined criteria. This could be a specific chart pattern, a technical indicator crossing a certain level, or a combination of factors. Objective, a predetermined price level at which they plan to take profits, ensuring they don't get greedy and risk losing potential gains. This target is based on their analysis of the market and the potential upside of the trade. Stop loss, a crucial risk management tool that automatically closes the position if the price moves against them, limiting potential losses. This is a non-negotiable aspect of their trading strategy. He dedicates a few hours per week to studying the markets, staying informed about the latest news, trends, and developments that could impact their investments. This ongoing education is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Preparing his plans in advance, they meticulously plan their trades, outlining entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and profit targets before ever putting any money at risk. This proactive approach minimizes impulsive decisions. His secret? What is the key ingredient that sets this trader apart from the rest? What allows them to consistently achieve positive results in the often turbulent world of cryptocurrency investing? Strict discipline to limit risks, adhering to their predefined trading plan, and avoiding emotional decisions that can lead to costly mistakes. They understand that risk management is paramount to long-term success and maximize gains. They are always looking for ways to optimize their trading strategy and improve their returns, while still maintaining a disciplined approach to risk management. He prefers to miss an opportunity, patiently waiting for the perfect setup rather than jumping into a trade prematurely. They understand that there will always be more opportunities in the market and that it's better to be patient and selective than to take an ill-considered risk. They avoid impulsive decisions and carefully evaluate every trade before committing capital. This cautious approach protects their capital and increases their chances of success. Stress exists. The pressure of managing investments and making critical decisions can be intense, but they have developed strategies to cope with it effectively. But he controls it through good organization. A well-structured trading plan, clear goals, and a disciplined approach help to minimize anxiety and maintain a calm and rational mindset. He learns from each operation, analyzing both winning and losing trades to identify areas for improvement and refine their strategy. They view every trade as a learning opportunity, refines his method, constantly tweaking and optimizing their trading system based on their experiences and the ever-changing market conditions. They are always striving to become a better trader, and advances cautiously. They understand that success in trading is a marathon, not a sprint, and that slow and steady progress is the key to long-term profitability. His success rests on balance, a delicate equilibrium between risk and reward, patience and action, analysis and intuition, taking advantage of opportunities, identifying and capitalizing on profitable trading setups when they arise. They are always ready to act decisively when the time is right, without being carried away by emotion. They maintain a calm and rational mindset, even in the face of market volatility. avoiding impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. With a solid plan and composure, a well-defined strategy, and the ability to remain calm under pressure are essential for success in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. He invests actively without sacrificing his peace of mind. He's able to participate in the exciting world of crypto trading while maintaining a healthy work-life balance and avoiding unnecessary stress. Profil 3, le Scalper Émotif. We delve into the characteristics of this particular trading personality, a profile marked by intense emotional engagement with the market. This isn't just about numbers and charts, it's about the visceral experience of trading. Roi de l'adrénaline. The emotional scalper thrives on the rush, the quick decisions, and the immediate feedback the market provides. For them, trading is less a calculated strategy and more an exhilarating high-stakes game. Collé à ses écrans, eyes glued to the flickering data, the emotional scalper is hyper-attuned to every tick and blip. They are constantly scanning for opportunities, ready to pounce at a moment's notice. Il réagit à chaque mouvement de prix, every fluctuation triggers a response, a buy or sell order executed with lightning speed. This constant reactivity is both their strength and their weakness. Vivant au rythme des bougies et des notifications. Their world is defined by the relentless pulse of candlestick charts and the constant stream of market updates. It's a sensory overload that fuels their trading frenzy. Son activité est frénétique, a whirlwind of trades, a flurry of activity that can leave others breathless. This high-octane approach is characteristic of the emotional scalper. Des dizaines de trades par heure, sometimes even hundreds, each one a gamble, a calculated risk taken in the blink of an eye. This rapid-fire trading style is not for the faint of heart. L'émotion prend souvent le dessus. The thrill of victory and the agony of defeat are amplified, making it difficult to maintain a detached, rational perspective. This is where the emotional scalper often struggles. Euphoria, the high of a successful trade, the feeling of being right, of beating the market. It's an addictive sensation that keeps them coming back for more. Frustration, the sting of a loss, the feeling of being outsmarted, of watching profits evaporate. It's a bitter pill to swallow, and one that can easily lead to impulsive decisions. Stress extreme, the constant pressure to perform, the fear of losing, the relentless demands of the market. It all takes a toll. The emotional scalper is often operating at the edge of their capacity. Il finit par s'épuiser mentalement. The constant barrage of information, the emotional roller coaster, the lack of sleep, it all leads to burnout. Mental fatigue is a serious risk for this profile. Son portefeuille ressemble à un champ de bataille, a landscape of wins and losses, often with more red than green. The volatility of their trading style can lead to significant swings in their account balance. L'impulsivité domine. Decisions are made in the heat of the moment, often without careful consideration. This lack of discipline can be a major downfall. Il veut tout contrôler, every aspect of the market, every possible outcome. But this desire for control is often an illusion. Mais plus il s'acharne, plus le marché lui échappe. The harder they try to force things, the more elusive success becomes. The market is a fickle beast, and it cannot be tamed. Le stress devient une drogue, a perverse reward for their efforts. The adrenaline rush becomes addictive, and they crave the intensity, even when it's detrimental to their performance. La lucidité disparaît, et les pertes s'accumulent. Judgment becomes clouded, and rational decision-making goes out the window. The losses mount, and the cycle of despair begins. Il se retrouve à courir après le prix, constantly trying to catch up, to recoup losses, to regain control. But the market is always one step ahead. Incapable de décrocher, unable to step away, to take a break, to clear their head. The addiction to trading consumes them. Sacrifiant sommeil et vie perso. Relationships suffer, health deteriorates, and personal well-being is neglected. The pursuit of profit comes at a steep price. La frontière entre passion et obsession devient floue. The line between a healthy interest and a destructive compulsion blurs. They are no longer trading for enjoyment or profit. They are trading to satisfy an insatiable craving. Et la fatigue mentale s'installe. The constant stress and lack of sleep take their toll, leading to cognitive impairment and poor decision-making. Pour ce profil, la gestion des émotions est cruciale. The ability to control impulses, to manage stress, and to maintain a rational perspective is paramount, mais difficile à maîtriser. However, for the emotional scalper, this is often the most challenging aspect of trading. Their emotions are their driving force, and learning to control them requires significant effort and self-awareness. Sans cadre strict, c'est la spirale. Without a well-defined trading plan, clear risk management rules, and a strong sense of self-discipline, the emotional scalper is vulnerable to a downward spiral. Hurt, frustration, suractivité, épuisement. A vicious cycle of losses leading to frustration, which in turn leads to overtrading, ultimately resulting in exhaustion and further losses. Le marché ne pardonne pas l'impulsivité. The market is unforgiving of impulsive decisions and emotional trading. It will quickly punish those who deviate from their plan. Il faut savoir s'arrêter. Knowing when to walk away, to cut losses, and to take a break is essential for survival. Accepter la perte, poser des limites, et respirer. Accepting losses as a part of the game, setting clear boundaries for risk, and taking time to breathe and regain composure are crucial steps. Voilà la clé pour ne pas sombrer. This is the key to avoiding the pitfalls of emotional trading and achieving long-term success. Le scalper émotif doit transformer sa passion en force. The emotional scalper must learn to harness their passion and channel it into a disciplined and strategic approach. Avec discipline et recul. With discipline, a well-defined trading plan, and the ability to step back and assess the situation objectively, the emotional scalper can overcome their weaknesses and thrive. Le trading, c'est avant tout une question de psychologie. Trading is fundamentally a psychological game, a battle against one's own emotions and biases. Et de respect de ses propres limites. And it requires a deep understanding of one's own limitations and a willingness to respect them. Sans cadre, le stress prend le dessus. Without a framework of rules and boundaries, stress will inevitably take over, leading to poor decisions and negative outcomes. Et le plaisir disparaît. And the joy of trading will be replaced by anxiety, frustration, and ultimately, burnout. Le marché est un marathon, pas un sprint. The market is a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, endurance, and a sustainable approach. Il faut apprendre à ralentir. Learning to slow down, to take breaks, and to avoid impulsive decisions is crucial for long-term success. Avec les bons outils et une discipline de fer, with the right tools, a solid trading plan, and unwavering discipline, même ce profil peut retrouver la paix intérieure. Even the emotional scalper can find inner peace and achieve consistent profitability. It's a journey of self-discovery and self-mastery. Plus ton horizon de trading est court, plus ton niveau de stress augmente. Le pire combo ? Un mental long terme avec un comportement court terme, ou l'inverse. Le meilleur plan, c'est celui que tu peux suivre sereinement, sans te sentir submergé. Écris noir sur blanc ton horizon, tes actifs, ta fréquence de trading, et supprime tout ce qui n'est pas aligné avec ta psychologie. Ta mission, choisis ton profil dominant, définis ton cadre, et débarrasse-toi de ce qui t'empêche d'être en paix avec ta façon de trader. Avance avec confiance, structure ta démarche, et découvre la vraie réussite. La paix intérieure.